It's easy to fall in love with the place. There's just something about it. There's something about this area. I think it's the mix of ocean and mountain and every landscape in between that it compels you. We have essentially 5 water trails wrapped around each of the estuaries. We're very blessed with having some of the most diverse ecosystems on this planet sitting out our back door. And when you are in the middle of it, you just feel both how small we are, but also how important we are in keeping it functioning and healthy and a part of the fabric of our lives.